Hey there. Running into obstacles with Cash App's identity verification? No worries, I've got your back. Today, we're diving into the steps on how to fix Cash App won't let me verify my identity so you can get back to seamless transactions and hassle-free financial management in no time. Step 1. Check your information. First things first, ensure the information you're entering matches exactly with what's on your government-issued ID. Minor discrepancies can cause issues with verification. These include differences in your name, address, or date of birth. Double-check everything to avoid unnecessary delays. Make sure your ID is valid and not expired, and if you've moved recently, consider updating your address on both your ID and in the Cash App settings. Step 2. Update the app. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of the Cash App. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve functionality. Check your device's app store for any pending updates. Installing the latest version may resolve the verification issue, and it's a good practice to stay updated to ensure app security and performance. Step 3. Strong internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for verifying your identity on Cash App. Use a reliable Wi-Fi network or ensure that your mobile data signal is strong. Fluctuating connections can interrupt the verification process and lead to failure messages. If you're on Wi-Fi, consider restarting your router or switching to mobile data if you encounter connectivity issues. Step 4. Connect Cash App support. If you've confirmed your information is correct, updated the app, and have a solid internet connection, yet still face issues, it might be time to reach out to Cash App support. Open the app, navigate to the profile icon, select Support, and describe your problem in detail. The support team can provide specific instructions or manually assist in the verification process. Being patient and clear in your communication can significantly speed up resolution times. Step 5. Clear app cache. Sometimes corrupted cache files can wreak havoc on app functionality. Clearing the cache for Cash App might resolve your identity verification issues. To do this, go to your device's settings, find the Cash App in your list of applications, and select the option to clear cache. This action won't delete your app data, but will remove any temporary files that might be causing issues. Dealing with verification problems can be a bit of a hassle, but knowing how to fix Cash App won't let me verify my identity is key to resolving these issues. By ensuring your information is accurate, keeping the app updated, maintaining a stable internet connection, contacting support when needed, and clearing the app cache, you can navigate through these hurdles with ease. Remember, patience is your ally when troubleshooting tech issues. With these steps, you should soon find yourself back on track, sending and receiving money seamlessly. Good luck and happy transacting.